I'll show you how to buy shares of Ekinops SA, ticker EKI.PA, which trades on Euronext. Ekinops develops telecom and optical networking equipment. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EKI.PA to find Ekinops SA. Make sure you select the Euronext listing so you open the correct stock page. On the asset page, you'll see a brief company profile and the price chart for the stock. Confirm the issuer name is Ekinops SA, and the exchange shows Euronext before proceeding. To place an order, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your Ekinops position will appear in your portfolio overview. For the same broker page used in this demo, find the link in the description below.